Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Laura, a urologist with over 20 years of experience helping men navigate the changes that come with aging. Welcome to my channel where we talk openly and compassionately about health topics that matter to you. Today, I'm diving into something that's often overlooked but can make a huge difference in your quality of life, the health of your intimate skin, especially for men over 50. Stick with me until the end because I'm sharing practical science-backed tips that can help you feel more comfortable, confident, and vibrant. Let me start with a story. A few months ago, a 64-year-old patient, John, came to my clinic. He was a fit, active guy, loved hiking, still working part-time, but he was struggling with something he felt embarrassed to talk about. For months, he'd been dealing with a burning sensation and redness around his genital area. He thought it was just part of getting older, and kept using the same harsh soap he'd used for decades. But it wasn't aging. It was his daily hygiene routine slowly damaging his skin. John's story isn't unique, and it's a wake-up call. Ignoring the needs of your intimate skin can lead to discomfort that affect not just your body, but your confidence and relationships. There's a common belief among men, especially as we age, that toughing it out or sticking to old habits like using any old soap is fine. Society often tells us that men don't need to fuss over skin care, especially down there. But here's the truth. The skin in your genital area is some of the most sensitive on your body, and it changes as you age. Ignoring that can lead to real problems. So let's break that stereotype. Taking care of your intimate health isn't fussy. It's a powerful act of self-respect that keeps you feeling strong and vital. So what happens when you neglect proper intimate hygiene? As we age, the skin on the penis, especially the glands, becomes thinner, collagen production slows, and the sebaceous glands produce less natural oil. This weakens the skin's protective lipid barrier. A thin layer that locks in moisture maintains a slightly acidic pH and shields against irritants. Studies from places like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard show that using harsh soaps, especially those with fragrances or high alkalinity, strips away this barrier. What's the result? Your skin becomes vulnerable to irritation, dryness, and even infections. For example, research from the University of California found that disrupting the skin's pH can make it easier for bacteria or fungi like yeast to thrive. This can lead to itching, burning, or small cracks in the skin for men with conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. These risks are even higher because their skin is already more prone to dryness and poor healing. And it's not just physical. When the skin is irritated or inflamed, it can reduce sensitivity, making intimacy less enjoyable. That can weigh heavily on your emotional well-being and relationships. The good news, these issues are preventable with small, intentional changes. Let me share another story. Mark, a 58-year-old patient, came to me, frustrated. He loved staying active, but he started avoiding intimacy because of persistent discomfort, dryness, and a tight feeling in his genital skin. He was using a strongly scented body wash and scrubbing hard, thinking cleaner is better. After we switched him to a pH-balanced, fragrance-free, intimate wash and adjusted his routine, his symptoms cleared up in weeks. He told me, "Dr. Laura, I wish I'd known this years ago. It's like I got a piece of my confidence back." Stories like Mark's show how small changes can make a big difference. The science is clear, and the solutions are simple. Here are 3 practical, science-backed steps you can take today to protect your intimate skin and stay comfortable. 1. Choose the right products. Use a gentle, pH-balanced intimate wash designed for men. Look for ingredients like glycerin, chamomile, or aloe vera, which hydrate and soothe. Avoid soaps with fragrances, dyes, or alcohol. They're too harsh. Studies from the Brazilian National Institute of Urology showed these products maintain the skin's natural barrier, reducing irritation by up to 40%. 2. Mind the water temperature. Hot showers feel great, but they strip moisture from your skin. The Mayo Clinic notes that hot water can damage the skin's proteins, speeding up aging and dryness, especially in sensitive areas. Use lukewarm water instead and pat. Don't rub the area dry to avoid irritation. 3. Incorporate gentle aftercare. After washing, apply a fragrance-free hypoallergenic moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or shea butter. This helps restore elasticity, and prevents dryness. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that keeping the skin hydrated reduces the risk of micro tears that can let bacteria in. Every body is unique, so if you're unsure what's best for you, talk to a doctor or urologist. These steps aren't about adding complexity, they're about making smart choices that fit into your routine. One more thing to know: your skin has a microbiome, a community of good bacteria that protects it. Harsh products can wipe out these helpful microbes, leaving room for harmful bacteria or fungi to grow. Brazilian studies link a disrupted microbiome to recurring redness or infections. In men over 50, using gentle microbiome-friendly products helps keep this balance intact, supporting your skin's natural defenses. I want you to know that taking care of your intimate health isn't just about avoiding discomfort, it's about embracing vitality. Aging doesn't mean giving up on feeling good in your body or enjoying intimacy. It's about adapting with wisdom and care. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable, and these small changes can help you get there. If this resonates with you, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're ready to make a small change for your health, or a 2 if you're still skeptical but curious. You're not alone. Thousands of men are learning to prioritize their intimate health, and I'm here to guide you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and share this video with someone you care about. Let's keep this conversation going with respect, science, and hope. Your intimate health is a cornerstone of your overall well-being, and it's never too late to start caring for it. I'm Dr. Laura, and I'm here every week to help you navigate aging with strength and confidence. Until next time, take care of yourself. You've got this.